Alright, we're going on a bus. There's something in the bus. Got a little bird back there.
Alright, I locked him in.
There he is the birdie. Here, birdie. Oh. Whoa! Ah!
Let's see if we can catch him.
I'm gonna catch him.
Oh,
Whoa,
fuck!
Shit! It's about a 2-pounder, man. It's huge.
Dude, look at this fucking thing. Should I let him up? Oh, fuck.
Whoa! Whoa! Wait, I'll go. You stay there. I'll go over here. Come on, dude. You're gonna make me rich on YouTube.
Oh, shit.
You fucker. I think we should let him out.
Alright, should I let him up?
Yeah, he's probably gonna shit all over.
Fuck it, we'll let Bob clean it.
Alright, come here, birdie.
See if you can catch him.
Oh, he might bite me. He's got rabies.
Ow!
Oh, no, birdie, go. Bring him up. Right there, Nick. Oh,